We're worldwide at www.nydiesels.com, and I want to say thank you to Dan, who just flew in from Montana to buy Stormi. And Dan, thank you so much. What a nice guy. Came in from Montana. He said, oh my God. When he looked at Stormi, he said, I cannot believe how nice this truck is. And I said, well, why not? It's John the Diesel Man from nydiesels.com. We can build you a truck. You can buy one of our trucks. We're here to make dreams come true. www.nydiesels.com. If you want your truck built today, contact John at nydiesels.com. Nobody can touch what I do. I'm the best in the business. Thank you so much, Dan, from flying here from Montana and driving your beautiful truck back to Montana. You got Stormi and you got like a brand new truck. Thank you so much, Dan. Keep your turbos spooling. Yeah.